हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्कार। कैसे हैं आप सब? सबसे पहले सबको हैप्पी न्यू ईयर, नए साल की हार्दिक बधाई। तो आज मैंने जो टॉपिक सेलेक्ट किया है वो है इंग्लिश। सो कैन यू हियर मी? कैन एनीवन गिव मी सम मैसेज और थंब अप दैट यू कैन हियर मी? Namaste. Yeah, I got a reply from someone. You can hear me. Nice. Okay. So I've decided to take the topic articles. Although it is for primary classes, it is supposed to be for primary classes, but I have seen even elders make mistakes while writing or speaking in English. ये टॉपिक ऐसा है, इसमें इतनी बारीकियां हैं जो हमें बड़ों को भी हाईली क्वालिफाइड होने के बाद भी पता नहीं चलता और हम कुछ कुछ गलतियां कर जाते हैं। तो मुझे लगा कि ये टॉपिक बच्चों के लिए भी अच्छा रहेगा और आई थिंक कुछ चीजें इसमें से ऐसी हम बड़े भी सीख पाएंगे, क्योंकि मैंने खुद कुछ चीजें जो हैं देखी हैं जो हम मिस कर जाते हैं, एंड वी ऑल शुड नो. So let me start. My today's topic is articles. My topic is articles. Okay. And articles सबको मालूम है, इंग्लिश ग्रामर में हम पढ़ते हैं, इंग्लिश बोलते समय हम आर्टिकल्स यूज करते हैं. आर्टिकल्स होते क्या हैं? आर्टिकल होते हैं, it is an objective and they modify nouns. And articles are of basically two types, definite and indefinite. I hope you all know definite and indefinite. Definite articles are, definite article is the, and indefinite articles are a and an. ये बड़ा सिंपल लगता है, लेकिन हमें इनको कहाँ यूज करना है हमें बहुत ध्यान देना पड़ता है. सो आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू, जैसे कि ये तो हमें पता ही है, ए और एन जो है ये हमारे इंडेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स हैं, एंड द जो है हमारा डेफिनेट आर्टिकल है. वी यूज ए एंड एन व्हेन वी रेफर टू वन पर्सन, वन प्लेस, वन एनिमल or any one thing. For example, a car, a cat, a dog, a boy. And definite we use when we talk about a specific thing. Suppose I say, give me the books which are on the table. वही वाली books चाहिए मुझे जो टेबल पे पड़ी है. मैंने ये नहीं कहा give me a book, any book. So basically the main difference is, in definite we talk about specific things, and indefinite we talk about anything. As we all know, there are 26 alphabets in English. Out of them, 21 are consonants and 5 are vowels. And which are the 5 vowels? We all know: A, E, I, O, and U. We all know there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, and U, right? Okay, now we use A where we have a word starting with a consonant. For example, in a man, M is a consonant. Lamp, L is a consonant. Cat, A is a consonant. But did you see? With university, I have written A, not an, although it is a vowel. Why? देखिए, यूनिवर्सिटी में जब हम बोलते हैं इस कॉन्सोनेंट को तो आवाज जो है य आ रही है. य इज अ व्यंजन. हिंदी में स्वर और व्यंजन जैसे कि आपको पता है. अगर आपके फर्स्ट लेटर की आवाज स्वर की नहीं आ रही है, व्यंजन की आ रही है, तो वी विल कंसिडर इट अ कॉन्सोनेंट. ऑल्दो यू इज our U is our vowel, but we will consider it as consonant because its sound is like a Vyanjan of Hindi Aksharmala. Okay. And similarly in unit, again, U is a vowel, but still we are using A with it because U has a sound of a Vyanjan. It is sound is Y. Okay. So we will consider it as a consonant and we will use A with it. Now coming to an. As we all know, since our childhood, we've been listening to everybody saying that when there is a vowel, we have to use an. So, firstly, I give you simple examples. An orange. In orange, we have vowel O. So, we are using an. In an apple, A is again a vowel. So, we are using an. In ice cream, we are again using an because I is again a vowel. In egg also, we are using an egg because E is vowel. Similarly, in umbrella, U is a vowel and we are using an. Now, there are few exceptions again in an also. MLA. In MLA, the sound is MLA. A. The sound is A. And A is swar of Hindi Varnamala. A. A is a swar. When, although we are using a consonant, but the sound is like a swar. A. So we will use an. Almost in many abbreviations, when the sound is of a vowel sound, like in MBBS, again A. Now you see the word R. R may we are not saying har. We are not saying har, although it is H. Her is not there. It is R. In MSC, again, it is A. The sound is of a vowel or the sound is of a Hindi swar. So we will use an. Okay, am I clear? So I come to the conclusion that with consonants we use A and with vowels we use an. But if a vowel is sounding like a consonant, then we will not use an, we will use a. Okay. So next, there are few rules. I'll tell you about them. Uh, in professions, also we use a and an. Like a director, we use a and an. A director, an editor, a teacher, and sometimes we use a and an when we say about a thing or a person. For example, Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola is a beverage. We will not say Coca-Cola is the beverage. We are telling that it is a beverage. A dog is a domestic animal. Again, we are using a dog. Okay. Now, for example, I've written, see, in with R we have used an. You must be thinking why we are using and with R when there is H, it is a consonant. Again, the same concept. Since H sound is not there, H sounds her, and we are not reading it as har, we are reading it as R. So it will be an. With honor, again the same thing. With higher, higher, it is also the same thing. Now, few more examples. See, although we have vowel in the beginning of the word euro, unicycle, unicorn, we are still using a and not using an because in a, in unicorn, unicorn the sound is u. Yeah. Sound is of a consonant. In unicorn, the sound is yeah. It is not sounding a. That means whenever the sound is of a vyanjan, Hindi Aksharmala, when there is a vyanjan, we will use a. In unicycle, unicorn, we were supposed to use an because there is a vowel, but we are not using an because the sound is of a vyanjan. I hope I am clear. Now coming to the use of the. The is used for specific objects when we are talking about. Suppose I say, I ate a sweet. I have used a here. But when I'm saying the sweet was very tasty, I'm talking about that particular sweet which I ate. And we can say we use the when we are talking about something for the second time. See, I used the word a when I said I ate a sweet. I used the article a because I was talking about it for the first time. But when I talked about it for the second time, the sweet was tasty. I used the article the because I'm talking about it again, second time, and it has become now specific. Can you give me the books on the table? I want the books which are on the table. I don't want any book. Have you ever noticed that the has two sounds? The can be called the also and it can be called the also. Have you ever noticed the difference? I'm sure many of us don't know the difference. What is the difference between the and the? So I'll tell you. When after the article the, there is a vowel. Suppose, there is a vowel like end, end. E is a vowel. We use the end. The sound is the. But when there is a consonant, we will use the. For example, the bag. The particular, if you are talking about some particular bag, the bag. The end. When it was E, there was a vowel, we said the. TH, the same word, we are pronouncing it as the, and the same word we are pronouncing as the. Because there was a vowel and the when there is a consonant. Okay, I have written here the and the sun. Same word with different pronunciation. Now coming to the rules of using the. There are many rules with every situation. The use of the changes. I'll give you a few examples. With rivers, we always use the Ganga, the Yamuna. With oceans, again we use the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. Everybody tells us, our teachers always taught us that never use the with name. The Ram, the Sita, the Radha. We never use the. Okay. But why we are using the with the Mahatma Gandhi? Have you ever noticed? I'm sure many of us don't know this fact that why we are using the Mahatma Gandhi when the is not supposed to be used with name, then why the is used with Mahatma Gandhi? Because it has qualified the condition. The Gandhi has become Mahatma. Okay. Now here in such conditions, we can use the. Now, one more example I'll give you. Sachin Tendulkar is a cricketer. The Sachin Tendulkar class. The Sachin Tendulkar class has become a specific class now. So the here with Sachin Tendulkar also we can use. Okay. A very interesting thing. Uh, in fact, I also never knew about this. When we use country names, we don't put the. But when a country name has Union, United, Republic, or Kingdom with it, we can use the. For example, the United States of America. Here we have used the. The Irish Republic. We have used the because here we have Republic, we have United, and if there is Union or Kingdom, we can use the. Otherwise, with country name, we never use the. One more thing, you must be wondering, with Himalayas, we are saying the Himalayas. But with Mount Everest, we are not saying the Mount Everest. Have you noticed this difference? Even we have always, you and me, all being teachers, we've been reading articles since our childhood, but we never notice such small things that we are using the with Himalayas, but we are not using the with Mount Everest. Do you know why? Because Himalaya include the Himalaya ranges, and with peak, single peak, we cannot use the. With the ranges, we can use the. Okay, there are few exceptions. There are few diseases like fever, cancer, we don't use. But with diseases like mumps, measles, we use the mumps, the measles. And one more rule of using the unique things, the sun, the moon, we use the. Few more examples where we use the for directions. The east, the west, the south. Okay, where else we use the article the for religious books, the Gita, the Ramayana, the Bible. Here, another one more thing different I would like to share. We are saying the Ramayana, but when we are saying Balmiki's Ramayana, then we will not use the. We will not say Balmiki's the Ramayana. Balmiki's, here we will not use the. The will be used directly, the Ramayana, the Gita. If we put some adjective with it, the article the is removed. Okay, you've always heard the president, the prime minister. Okay, but this again, you all must, I would like to share. You may not be knowing this. With specific words, this the is again avoided. With appoint, elect, select, crown, we don't use the. For example, he was elected president. Now we will not say he was elected the president. Here the is not used. This will be wrong, grammatically wrong. Next point. With common noun we use the. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. This is a common noun. But when I'm saying I have a dog, it is the same dog. The dog is a faithful animal. And the same dog I'm saying it is with me. Then why I'm not using the? Because there it was common noun. The dog is a faithful animal. Okay. One more rule of using the. With musical instruments like the guitar, the violin, the sitar, we use the. One more rule, historical monuments. Again, with historical monuments, we use the Taj, the Red Fort. It seems so simple that anywhere we can use the or a or and, but we have to take care where we have to use a, where we have to use and where we have to use the. There are around 20 rules of using the. See, again, I would say This is a very small thing, but many of us don't take care of this when we talk and we simply speak, I am going to school. When a child says, I am going to school, he says, I'm going to school. Suppose your parents are going to school for your PTM. They are not going to study. They are going for some other purpose. School is meant to be for studying. So when your parents are going to your school, then we will use the, because the purpose is not a usual one. The purpose is a different one. My father is going to the school. Now we will use the. Wherever the purpose is changed, for example, a man was in jail. But when, if you are going to talk about someone, to meet someone, then you will use the jail. Okay. When the purpose is usual, जिस जगह का जो काम होता है अगर वो ही है तो हम द नहीं लगाएंगे, लेकिन अगर हम किसी अलग काम से किसी जगह जा रहे हैं जो उसका काम नहीं है, then we will use the. When the purpose is different, which comes to our mind कि यहाँ पर तो यही काम होगा, उससे अलग कुछ काम होता है तो हम द यूज करते हैं. Okay, next, where we have to use the. When we compare things, कंपैरेटिव डिग्री पे जब हम आते हैं, सपोज द हायर यू गो द कूलर यू फील, वी आर कंपेयरिंग, सो हियर वी आर यूजिंग द. अ हायर यू गो और अ कूलर तो नहीं बोलते ना आप लोग. द हायर यू गो, द कूलर यू फील. द हार्डर यू वर्क, you get success, the harder. Okay. And for superlative, everybody knows the is used. For example, Raju is the best boy of our class. For the superlative degree, we always use the. I have the best sari, or whatever you say, I have the best book with me. You always use article the when you are using superlative degree. Am I clear? Am I audible? Can I get some indication that I'm audible? I'm clear? Okay. One more example I would like to share. Sometimes the same word we use different articles. That you have to read carefully why we are using same article at different places with different use. I dream of going to space. I want to go to space. Okay. The space to keep my car is not sufficient. Here we are using the space because we are talking about a particular space. Okay. So these are all the rules which I have discussed with you. And I would like to summarize all these again. A and an are definitely used when we are talking about singular things or singular nouns. Articles, they modify nouns. बच्चों को कहानी सुनना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. अभी तो I know that teachers of India, all over India are connected to me. Had I been in my classroom, I would have started my lesson like this. There was a mother, noun. She had 3 kids, A and the. A and Anne were her twin kids, and the is eldest kid. Okay. अब ए और एन जो है उनकी दोस्ती किनसे होती है? इनडेफिनेट नाउन्स के साथ, और द की दोस्ती होती है डेफिनेट स्पेसिफिक लोगों के साथ. उसको स्पेसिफिक लोगों के साथ जाना ही अच्छा लगता है द को, और ए और एन जो है उन दोनों ट्विंस को इनडेफिनेट लोगों के साथ जाना अच्छा लगता है. ओके. अब एन को अच्छे लगते हैं वॉवल्स. वो दोस्ती किससे करता है? वॉवल्स के साथ करता है. एन को जुड़ना अच्छा लगता है जो वर्ड्स ए से शुरू होते हैं, ई से शुरू होते हैं, आई से शुरू होते हैं, ओ से शुरू होते हैं, यू से शुरू होते हैं। लेकिन एन जो है वो कभी कभी उनसे भी दोस्ती कर लेता है जो ए ई आई ओ यू नहीं होते, पर उनकी आवाज में ए ई आई ओ यू आ रहा होता है। और जो ए है उसको कॉन्सोनेंट्स के साथ जुड़ना अच्छा लगता है, कॉन्सोनेंट्स के साथ दोस्ती करना अच्छा लगता है, पर वो कभी कभी उन वॉवल्स के साथ दोस्ती कर लेता है जिसमें कॉन्सोनेंट की आवाज आती है, यानी कि उसको लगता है ये कुछ मेरे मतलब के हैं, मुझसे जुड़ने लायक हैं। इनके एग्जाम्पल्स मैंने आपको दे ही दिए हैं। सो आई होप आई एम क्लियर इन माई टॉपिक, and anything anybody would like to ask in this? I think I can finish my topic here only. So these are articles. There are basically three articles. uh, they are very important in our English grammar. I have seen many people, although they are highly educated, they make mistakes while speaking as well as while writing. So if we keep all these points in our mind, so we will not make mistakes while speaking and writing. We have to be very careful in using all these articles. So my topic finishes here. I hope you liked, you enjoyed my topic. Myself, Sangeeta Gulati from Delhi, saying bye bye. Namaskar.